Let's go! Wow! 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 There you have it. Honda filter oil. Let's go! This is what we're going to use. 0W20. That's our viscosity. That's what we need for our 2020 Honda Civic SI 1.5 turbo. Let's get this shit done, bro. Let's go. Engine oil. That's your engine oil drain plug. I use 17 millimeter with my half inch drive ratchet. Try my best. Oh shit. Fucking stupid, bro. That was funny. Good thing I have this in the shop rag. I'm out of here. Engine oil filter pliers. We're going to use this to remove that old oil filter. So that looks good to me. I'm going to reuse this one, and it's the old oil filter because you only need one gasket for your oil filter. So make sure you have this with you, the old one, and throw it away because you wouldn't like to install your new oil filter with new gasket, and on top of that you have the old one. So these are new oil filter. This is what we're gonna do. So get fresh and clean engine oil. And this. Just a little. Nothing crazy. You want a smooth friction between your new oil filter and your car. So that's the location. Try to do this with my one hand. So I'm holding the camera for you all. So from here, make sure. Oh shit, I can't find the hole. That's what she said. Alright. Make sure don't over tight your oil filter. Just make sure it's tight and snug. My hand is too oily. It can't have a good grip. Already feel it's already tight, but make sure. Well, folks, for the drain plug, the torque spec would be 30 foot-pounds of torque, and we don't really know how 30 foot-pound torque feels like. You would like to use a torque wrench like this. Use your torque wrench, but in my case, I'm already used to it. I know how does it feel to torque your bolt with 30 foot-pounds. So if you're a beginner, I recommend using it like this. So for this specific core, this is the 2020 Honda Civic SI 1.5 turbocharger. Engine oil capacity would be 3.7 quarts. So I have a 0W20 5 quarts. I'm gonna use a funnel. One, two, three, then 0.7. This is 3.5. Might be here, just right here. There we go. We're almost there. 3.7. 3.7. So to reset your engine oil after doing your service, you would like to reset your engine oil life, and I will show you how to do that. First, close your door. There you go. There we go. It says 50% oil life, because we just did our change oil. You would like to reset that to make it 100%. Vehicle. Go down. Maintenance info. Press this one. It's the regular services in your car. Choose this one. Oil and filter. Select reset. Bam!